Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started.
Today I'm cooking up a vegetable dish, stir-fry Taiwanese spinach with garlic. So let's review the ingredients. This is a Taiwanese spinach. And Taiwanese spinach grows longer than the regular spinach. And it also has kind of dandelion-shaped leaves. And it's much heartier and denser than the regular spinach. We have garlic, seasoning salt mix, Shaoxing wine, and sesame oil. And for the prep, all we need to do is cut up the spinach. And I'm just going to cut it into thirds. And the stems here, I'm going to break it in half. And the stems are my favorite part of the spinach. It's really sweet. And the garlic is already crushed. So all the prep is done. Let's start cooking. Okay, I have my wok preheating on medium-high heat till it's at that smoking point. So let's add oil. Add the garlic. And I'm going to add the stems first. The stems need a little longer to cook, so we'll cook it for about a minute. Okay, let's add the leaves. And it looks like a lot, but it's going to cook down. Toss this till the leaves cook down a little bit. Add some of the seasoning salt, sesame oil, and the Shaoxing wine. And just toss this for about 30 seconds. And this is done. Turn off the heat. Don't overcook it. You want it to retain a crunchy texture. So let's plate this. And here we have a quick and simple stir-fry Taiwanese spinach with garlic. Spinach is really high in calcium, and there's a certain type of acid that creates the gritty, tannic feeling in your mouth when you eat too much of it. But that shouldn't stop you from eating it. It's healthy and nutritional. Enjoy! Ooh, let's see if Shadow likes it. Ooh, she loves eating her vegetables. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.